Okay, tuloy tayo. So, let's go. Tuloy tayo sa usap natin. So, this is digitally signed by Sara Duterte Zimmerman. This was signed January 26. Upon signing, binalita ka agad sa atin. So, ito yung ano niya, QR code. So, ano yun na lang. Gusto nyo, i-barilin ng QR code, scanner. Uh, this is DepEd order. References niya is DepEd order number 16, 2009, DepEd memorandum 291, 2008. So, yun. Para sa benefits policy, service teachers, working loads, and working hours. Isa-isayin natin to. So, ano ba yung rationale nito? So, to build a work environment for teachers upholds, protects their welfare. This shall include measures to protect the workload and working hours of teachers. Maganda naman talaga pala. So, reports and studies indicate that teachers are being assigned additional tasks that shift their focus on from teaching. So, 2018 teacher workload balance study identified approximately 50 common ancillary services assigned to teachers with off to their regular teaching load. So, ito yung extra duty which is result ng being understaffed ng mga schools to provide sufficient support services. In the absence of standardized guidelines, a mechanism to review this task further compounds the issue. So, walang masyadong tawag ito, guidelines on giving ancillary tasks to teachers. Ang nangyayari, so pag under man ng isang institution, teacher po talaga yung nagiging assigned for that work. So research from various institutions suggests that increase in administrative assignments significantly impacts teacher workload, ultimately affecting teacher quality. Kasi nga may ginagawa si teacher na iba. So maraming admin staff administrative work aside from teaching. So binabawasan talaga sila ng teaching load. Through this order, sabi dito, it aims to remove admin tasks sa mga teachers to enable them to maximize their time. Actual teaching yun, hours. So, makakapag-focus raw si teacher dun sa kanilang endeavor and the process of becoming effective facilitators of learning. Furthermore, sabi dito, the department shall help protect, uplift the welfare and well-being of public school teachers. Tingnan natin So, sabi dito, hindi ko na magalaw yung mouse ko. Scoop. Immediate daw ang removal of administrative tasks of public school teachers. I don't know if it is true by this time. Kasi kabibigay lang nito. Siguro, 26. The day-to-day is February 2. Hindi ko alam kung talagang implement kagad dito kasi admin task as laging meron po kailangan sa school. Like, pagbibigay ng Form 127, guidance counselors, marami. So, yun. Kaya natin ano ba talaga administrative task? Refers to related to effective, efficient operation schools or programs, projects, services are not directly related to teaching. Yun po ang administrative task. This shall be performed by school heads or non-teaching personnel. So, mapipilitan po si school head na kunin po yung mga non-teaching loads or the non-teaching personnel. Tapos sila pag ginagawa nito. Then, ano nga ba ang non-teaching personnel? Occupying non-teaching positions. Sino ba si school head? Responsible administrative instructional supervision of the school cluster of schools provided in RA number 9155. Purpose is duly designated teacher in charge and considered as a school head. Teacher. Sino ba si teacher? Occupying teaching position. Yan. Policy of the state. Policy statement. Enable teachers to focus on their core function through removal of administrative work. Sobrang linaw nito. Ewan ko lang kung magagawa talaga to. Guidelines and procedures. So, ano ba yung mga pwedeng ma-remove sa mga teachers? personnel administration, property, physical facilities, custodianship, general administrative support. Okay? Financial management, records management, program management. Okay. So, matatanggal yung feeding, school DRRM. Kasama pala yung school DRRM. So, puro non-teaching dapat ang hawak dito. Augment non-teaching personnel, requirements of school, SDO may cluster deploy non-teaching personnel accordance with the deployment of parameters ng BIROD. Okay. So, medyo ano talaga to. Medyo malaki pagbabago. So, saan nang gagaling naman yun? Magkakaroon ng contract of service, no? Job orders, which be charged against the maintenance and other operating expenses ng school. Tools and procedure. Implementation policy under the Human Resource Organization shall provide necessary tools, procedures through Strand Memorandum. Tapos, magkakaroon naman ng additional MOOE. Then, so yun. Okay. So, dati basahin to. Tingnan natin itong administrative unit person section. Okay. So, the school division office superintendent ensures all adherence, coordinates local LGU, schools, compliance workload. So, ito yung chinecheck ng mga SF7 ng mga school superintendent. Grievance mechanism, concerns, complaints, violation arising from implementation of policy addressed to the grievance question provided. Kung may reklamo kayo na Department Order 935, Series 2004. So, with all pertinent rules on administrative case and civil service. Okay, monitoring evaluation. So, evaluate nila implementation of this policy and anchored to the principles and decentralization, shared governance. Department aims to empower field offices. Repealing clause. All DepEd orders, memoranda, inconsistent, hereby rescinded and modified accordingly. So, transitory provision. Clustering strategy. Schools without sufficient or existing non-teaching personnel shall be clustered. Each cluster will be composing maximum of 3 schools. Deploy admin staff personnel to perform administrative tasks for clustered school. Okay? Sa tagalabas or 3 school ang hawakan ng admin staff. So, ibig sabihin, i-cluster. Pag walang existing or not sufficient, ka-cluster mo yung 3 school. And then, maglalagay ka ng isang support personnel. Okay. Immediately transfer turnover existing administrative tasks performed by teachers to school heads and non-teaching personnel. Okay. So, yung mga non-teaching, magkakaroon ng trabaho. Hire administrative support personnel if necessary. Tayo natin, effectivity. This DepEd order shall take effect immediately upon the approval, issuance, publication. So, kanina binasa natin ang date nito is January 26, 2024. Yun na siya. So, yun po yung immediate removal of administrative task of public school teachers.